Hi everyone, welcome to today's SS class. Today we are going to learn last lesson or lesson 4 from block 1. Our lesson's name is Caring for the Differently Abled. Aim of this lesson: give reason why is it necessary to take care of those who are differently abled. Keywords: physically challenged. So, here you can see a picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, we can see a girl. She is sitting in a wheelchair. She is a differently abled. Now we can understand who are differently abled. Differently abled means the people who are unable to do something. That means people unable to speak, unable to walk, hearing, speaking or seeing. Now let's read the story and we can understand why do we need to take care of the differently abled people. Story from your S4. All of you take your S4 and read the story. Ritu was eagerly waiting for her grandmother to come back home. Her grandmother had met with an accident last month and had been in the hospital. Today she was coming home from the hospital. She was very upset to see her grandmother in a wheelchair when she opened the door. She could see that her grandmother was in a lot of pain. Ritu decided to help her parents in taking care of grandma in all possible ways. She would spend a lot of time with her. She did not want her grandmother to stay alone in the room every day. Ritu told her mother, "Please shift grandma to my room. I want to spend more time with her. I want her to be happy and comfortable." Here, Ritu helping her grandmother. Her grandmother is differently abled because she can't walk. She is in wheelchair. Here there are some questions. Why was Ritu grandmother in a wheelchair? And how did Ritu help her? Why did Ritu offer to share her room with her grandmother? Ritu's grandmother had met with an accident and now she uses the wheelchair. Ritu helps her by bringing things for her. Ritu saw that it was difficult for her mother to take her grandmother's wheelchair into the bathroom. That is why she offered to share her room with her grandmother. Okay, children, what kind of problem does people who have difficulty in walking, hearing or seeing have? Why is it necessary to take care of them? Yes, those who have difficulty in walking, hearing, seeing are not able to do many things on their own as easily as the others. It is important to take care of them because they are unable to do some of the things on their own. Such person may need extra care and love. So what we have to do? How can we help them differently abled people? How can we help a differently abled person? We must help them in all the possible ways and show our love and care to them. Now we can understand who are the differently abled people. The people who are unable to walk, see, unable to hear or speak are called differently abled, and we need to help people who are differently abled because they are not able to do some things on their own. That to show that we care for them, because our support, encouragement helps them to achieve what they want. We have to taking care of these differently abled people. It is our duty to. It is important to take care of them because they are unable to do some things on their own. Such person may need extra care and love. Okay, hope you understood. So we can discuss our S4. First read the story and answer the question. First question, why was Ritu upset? How did Ritu help her grandmother? Ritu was upset because her grandmother is in wheelchair. How did Ritu help her grandmother? Ritu helped her grandmother in all possible ways. And she offered her room to her grandmother. Then second question, read a comic strip and answer the question. Here you can see a comic strip. First question, do you think the children in the picture are taking care of their friend on the wheelchair? No. Why? Because they are compelling that boy to play football. He can't play football because he is unable to walk. Then B, what do you think the children should do to make their friends happy? What do you think the children should do to make their friend happy? They can play any other game. He can also participate and they can spend a lot of time with them. Then he will be happy. Okay. Hope you understood lesson 4. With this lesson we completed our block 1. Thank you.